We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty tire plug kit. List number 1. Betool Tire Repair Kit. Betool is also one of the highly popular options for car accessories and tools. So, you will easily find any tool or repair kit that you will need for your car from Betool. In the second place, we are putting the Betool Tire Repair Kit. This is also a very renowned choice for tire repair kits. This kit has 24 units including a T-handle insert tool, a T-handle spiral probe tool, a 4-way valve stem tool, 2 units of plastic valve caps, and 15 units of self-vulcanizing repair plugs. The Betool Tire Repair Kit is also one of the plug. List number 2. O-Town Tire Repair Kit. Since we are on the topic of popular options, let us talk about O-Town. This brand is also a well-known option among car enthusiasts as its tools and accessories are highly reliable. The O-Town Tire Repair Kit is our third pick for this list today. The O-Town Tire Repair Kit is also one of the heavy-duty options on our list, offering 68 pieces, which is pretty good at this price point. When it comes to quality, the included tools on this kit are highly reliable since they are made up of high-quality steel. Since there are multiple units present in the kit, it is universally compatible with all types of car. List number 3. ARB Tire Repair Kit. A lot of users would prefer to go with a premium choice to get a reliable tire repair kit. So, we are putting this option from ARB on our list. The ARB 10mm11 Speedy Seal 2 is the most premium choice that we have for you today. Still, it is the first choice for thousands of users since this is a universally compatible tire repair kit with very durable quality. All of the included pieces on this set are made with the best quality material, and the same goes for the carrying case included with the kit. The ARB 10mm11 Speedy Seal 2 has 40 repair cords, so you will be able to use the repair kit for a long time. List number 4. Panflight Tire Repair Kit. Coming back to the affordable range of options for the best tire repair kit, we have a decent option coming from Panflight. It is also a pretty good option considering the number of units for the price. The Panflight Tire Repair Kit is also a great option for basic applications and smaller punctures with 34 included pieces, including plug flats. The included pieces in this kit are 1 zinc alloy T-handle insert tool, 1 zinc alloy T-handle spiral tool, 20 units of 4 inches self-vulcanizing plugs, 1 L-type hex tools, 1 lubrication tube, 1 knife, 1 compact crowbar. List number 5. CK Auto Universal Tire Repair Kit. If you are looking for a compact option for a tire repair kit, then this option from CK Auto will be right for you. CK Auto has many more alternatives for a tire repair kit that are worth checking out. The CK Auto Universal Tire Repair Kit is also a worthy option in the budget segment since it is a universally compatible option, and it has all the pieces you will need for a basic job despite the compact form factor. Just like our last pick, the included components of the CK Auto Universal Tire Repair Kit are made up of high-strength zinc alloy for long-lasting reliability.